In this video, I'll be covering question 5, part A from the 2018 AP Calculus AB free response no calculator allowed portion of the exam. I cover parts A, B, C, and D all in their own individual videos, so if you want to see those other solutions, please check out my other videos. Alright, so part A here is asking us to find the average rate of change of this function f over this given interval. Be careful here, this is not asking us to find the average value, this is asking us to find the average rate of change. Average rate of change is just fancy math talk for slope as you have always known it, which is just y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So on this problem, we are given an x1 value of 0 and an x2 value of pi. And what we need to do is we need to use that equation they give us to go find the y1 and y2 values. And then from there, we just pop them into our slope formula and we're good to go. So we'll go grab our equation and let's go find our values. So the first time through, I'm going to plug in 0. So then f of 0 would equal e to the 0 times the cosine of 0. Cleaning this thing up, anything to the 0 power is 1. And then the cosine of 0, this is where you got to know your unit circle like the back of your hand. The cosine of 0, that's this point here on the unit circle. That's the point 1, 0. The x value is always the cosine value, and the y value always gives us the sine value. So the cosine of 0 is 1, so that's 1 as well. So then f of 0 is going to just equal 1 times 1, so f of 0 equals 1. Then we go find our y2 value. So I will do f of pi now. So plugging pi into that original equation, we get e to the pi times the cosine of pi. Well, now again, e to the pi, not much you can do there, but cosine of pi, we're hopping over to this other side of the unit circle. So this would be the point negative 1, 0. So again, we're looking for that cosine value. The cosine is the x value. So then this is going to be negative 1. So then out of there, e to the pi times negative 1 is just going to get us negative e to the pi. And because we're on one of those silly calculator not allowed sections, that's about as far as you can take that number. So once you've got that, now you just need to take those pieces and pop them into your formula here. And so we're going to get out of here that our average rate of change is going to equal y2 negative e to the pi minus y1 over x2 pi minus x1, which is 0. So the most you could really do on this is just clean up that bottom, e to the pi minus 1 over pi. Again, you don't have a calculator, so you would just leave your answer looking exactly like that. And that would get you 1 point. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please click that like button and subscribe. And also share it with your friends and anyone else you know who might be crying about an upcoming AP Calc test. You can find more videos from me, more sample AP Calc questions, and my complete AP Calc study guide over at my website, apcalcprep.com. Have a great one.